Most stylish and decorative elements like your house decoration ideas like garden area and like wall area and home decoration house like different colorful flower and different category flower pots vase styles with colorful combination pink dark pink and light pink layered flower with leaves yeah green leaves here and like different yellow and white layered flower style with green leaves stylish idea. So I hope you like it my video and my channel style designs as a gifting way best option and best idea and as a decorative way home decoration ideas. So different crochet cozy yarn pattern with different styling and different flower looks as a gifting and decorative element and colorful combination puff flowers sunflower and rose flowers like layered flowers and butterfly flowers with green leaves vase boats so I hope you like it my video and my channel. So guys, please see this video till the end and mention in the comment section for your feedback and